Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noranisah binti Bazli, and my metric number is F21B1325. So today, I would like to present my internship journey with RCIB Food Venture, Bandar Perda, Pulau Pinang. As acknowledgements, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Faculty of Agro-Based Industry, University Malaysia Kelantan for the guidance and support throughout my academic journey. And I'm also deeply grateful to RCIB Food Ventures, my internship company, for providing me with the opportunity to complete my internship and for the valuable experience and knowledge I gained during my time there. For introduction about my internship company, RCIB Food Ventures Berhad is headquartered in Penang, Malaysia, focus its business and manufacturing, supply, provide services and distribution of honey product. In addition, this company are committed to supply a good quality of product and provide a good services with a reasonable price to the customer. This company have a different type of product that using a honey-based brand Ravian, which is sales product by wholesales, retailers and agents. RCIB also do a contract manufacturing or EM product for any companies, internationals or local that that requires their services to produce a product based in liquid or any powder forms. And this is a little bit about my internship company background. Business names under RCIB Food Ventures Berhad, which is located in number 3 Lorong Perda Utama 8 Bandar Perda, Bukit Mertajam, Pulau Pinang. So under business registration number 1385014, the date of this company was established in 18 September 2020. The type of business is private limited, which is owned by Puan Rohaya binti Cik Abu Bakar. As vision to this company is to make the Ravian or RCIB brand as a product that become a national pride at the global level. As for the missions of this company is to be a major player in manufacture, supplies and distribution of natural bee honey product at the global level. And then to strive to make a company product brand Ravian as a leader in natural honey product in Malaysia as well as globally. So the objective of this company is to be a leading company in the honey bee industry and a producer supplier of natural bee honey in Malaysia. Next, to make a natural bee honey product under the brands of Ravian a global market by penetrating the international market. So this is my organizational chart. Start with our main board director is Puan Rohaya binti Cik Abu Bakar, and then our chief executive Ms. Vanida Natasha Tan, which also human resource and sales marketing. So my SV supervisor Puan Aina Nasiha as a production manager and admin, Ms. Hazima as a financial and accountant, Ms. Vivian alias Soraya Tan as executive QC, Ms. Nurul Ashikin as production leader and sales executive. So and then Mr. Amir as general worker and technician, and also Encik Haris as general workers and technicians. As for organization, product and services, our product, RCIB Food Ventures, we are producing a product based is mainly in honey. So our first product is a Ravian honey, which is from polyflora honey, comes in 501 kilogram. And then we also produce a sugar kurma based in honey, and then granular crunchy, and we also produce a honey stick, and more than that. As for OEM product and services, we are offering any local or international company or any people who want to be a founder to produce a product. Is either in a liquid or powder such as 3-in-1 coffee or tea sachet based in product form. So this is a sample of our product, Safawi Kurma, and we have more than that OEM product. For chapter 2 is summary of industrial training. So this is my daily summary routine as an internship during my internship time. So the first task I was giving to integrate a quality assurance practice. So this activity is involved in engaging in end-to-end quality assurance activity, including the inspection of raw materials, the powder, honeys, semi-finished goods, and final product packaging. So I was assigned to conduct a verification of expiry dates, labeling accuracies, and comply with the standard operating procedure (SOP) to ensure that the product safety and traceability. And next, I was also involved in a food production operation. So the activity is to operate and monitor the production machinery, such as sealing equipment, expiry date printers, bottling, and shrink wrapping system, with emphasis on precautions and hygienic. So this activity is also involved in participated in the food production cycle from a raw to a to a final packaging, while follow the HACCP, GMP, and also halal processing requirement. So I was also involved in administrative and regulatory documentation. So this activity also involved in prepare, update, and organize operation document, including quality record, my e-halal registration, and supplier communication file. This activity also need to support internal audit by managing the documentation system, performing punch card verification, and I was also need to align the documentation with a regulatory compliance standard. Next is for chapter 3 about the technical report. So for the first assignment, I was assigned to do a quality control and packaging inspection of tea and honey product. So the objective of this assignment is to inspecting a raw material, tea sachet, honey, by monitoring the labeling accuracy, checking expiry dates, and ensuring the packaging integrity. The key activity is I was assigned to inspection the tea sachet, labels, and honey jars, monitoring the expiry date, printing, and packaging accuracy, and then operating shrink and sealing machine, and then identifying the correcting packaging defect. So the outcome of this assignment is to improve awareness of food safety standard by reducing packaging errors and hands-on experience in a real production area. So the next assignments, I was assigned to do a documentation and my e-halal system update. The objective of this assignment was I was assigned to participate in preparing and updating important production documents, including those related to halal certification, halal supply details, stock reports, and audit preparation file. So the key activity that I was assigned to log into the my e-halal system to update the ingredients, the material records. And then I was also need to comply in the audit documents and labeling file. The next activity is photocopying, organizing, and managing the internal documentation. So the outcome of this activity is to contribute to maintaining the regulatory compliance and learn the proper food industry documentation process. Last assignments that I was assigned is to hygiene, monitoring, and production area maintenance. So the objective of this assignment is to carry out the regular cleanliness check and hygiene tasks in the production environment to ensure that the compliant with a good manufacturing practice (GMP). So the key activity of these assignments is including cleaning machines, floors, and production area, observing and reporting on hygiene in storage and processing zone. And then I was also need to ensuring the equipment and utensil were sanitized before we start production, and then wearing a proper PPE and following SOP to avoid contamination. So the outcome of this activity is to help them maintain a safe and hygienic of work space and reduce risk of contamination in a good handling food handling areas. And for the valuable experience during internship I'm able to learn more about halal certification through my e-halal system. So this is an opportunity that I will use a lot in my future career. And the next is the best experience is I'm able to participate and experience the real operation of food production area, which is this is the best experience for me to understand more about how the food industry working. Chapter 4 is the conclusions. As the conclusion, my internship at RCAB Food Venture was a great learning experience. I gained hands-on skills in food production, quality controls, and packaging, and I also learned the importance of hygiene, teamwork, and following SOP. This experience helped me understand how the food industry works and prepare me for a future career. And I'm thankful for the guidance and support I received during this journey. Chapter 5 for suggestion. So the suggestion for faculty industry training, I would like to suggest AI Penitia because currently internship management involve a lot of repetitive tasks and communication delay. So I think to solve this matter, I would like to suggest AI Penitia, a digital assistant that can automate reminders, guide students, and help lecturers monitor progress more efficiently. And then I would like to suggest a pre-internship skill workshop. So this workshop is able to help students to become more prepared before their placement. This workshop was including a simple, a basic communication skills, report writing, a basic workplace skill. This will help a lot of students before they start their internship. So the suggestion that I suggest to my company, my internship company, is I think I'm suggesting to implement a digitalizations of quality controls and inventory record because many documentation tasks were conducted using a manually system. I think by adopting a digital record keeping system is using a QR or digital checklist for QA, the company can streamline an audit and reduce paperwork. And this will enhance the traceability and increase efficiency. And next is I would like to suggest the management to encouraging a culture of continuous improvement through a regular team briefing or feedback session. This can help the staff to or intern to identify the problem early and share solution. I think this activity also can motivate the employees and intern to contribute more ideas and improve workflows and efficiency and product quality. So suggestion for my personal improvement, I aim to grow professionally. I aim to strengthening the professional communication skill because I think this communication skill is really important for me to grow my future ahead. And next is I believe that to become more confident, become more active, I have to build a self-confidence and adaptability with a environment and unrecognized ties. But I think to become more adapt with the tide is I should actively ask for a feedback from the management so I will learn and I can improve myself to working in this industry again. And for lastly, I want to share the most memorable experience during my internship. So this is me and my colleague and the management. We are celebrating Hari Raya in Bertam Resort. That was the most happy and enjoyable moment that we shared together. So that's it from me. Thank you.